Yeah, I started smoking when I was around about 12. It was a peer thing at school. It just got to a point, one of my colleagues came to see yourself and this stop smoking thing. And I thought, okay, it was a bit of a challenge, so it was me and my colleague. And she sort of gave up, and so did I. Just wanted to give up because my mum had something on her chest, and she was always really ill with the chest. So I sort of thought, well, I might want to give up, but I just never really. To be fair, if I think if somebody says to you, you know, we'll give up, you do, and the minute you want a cigarette, you just have one and you just blame something. You'll always find something to blame to carry on smoking. It's that. I just needed something to take that away from me. And that's what this has given me. It's given me something. Because I'm not on my own, but I've had a lot of help from work. You know, my sister's been very, very good to me. My colleagues have been good to me, and you know, they've all helped me, and they really have helped me. That's the thing. You can't do this on your own. You need help. I do feel better, and you know, people have commented that I look better. I look younger. You see, I'm only 32 now, whereas probably 38 before. But I'm all right now. I'm looking younger. So they say. And it just makes you feel better. I can work a lot easier, I can breathe a lot easier. And I'm not just saying that, I actually can. You know, I actually do have better breaths, I sleep better. It has changed a lot for me. It's just trying to replace the cigarette. And it's even to the point now where I've said to you before that, you know, my dog, when I go home now, I used to be able to open the door, I'd go outside, have a cigarette with my dog. Well, now I don't smoke, I just open the door, and now my dog don't want to go out unless I go out. So now I've still got to go out, but this time without a cigarette. Totally. If you genuinely want to give up, it's not hard. I know everybody will say it, and believe me, I've been smoking 40 plus years, and it is easy. It's a service that you actually care, and I genuinely mean that. It really does help.